So guys, this is a question number 40 which I am going to explain you all, and is adding two matrices in the function 1, like step 1 function to add matrix, right? So declare a function named add matrix that take two matrix like matrix 1 and matrix 2 as a parameter. Then come to the step 2 matrix dimension code, like this one code. Okay, so what happened there key is check the if the input matrix have the same dimension, and through an error if dimension do not match, right? So this is the happen, and come to the step third second part. So matrix 1 dot length, and it is well, like retrieve the number of rows in the matrix 1, and matrix 1 0 dot length retrieve the number of columns in the first row of the matrix 1. Okay, and come to the variable part, variable assignment. Okay, so constant rows is equal to matrix 1 dot length, assign the number of rows to the variable rows, and const column matrix 10 matrix 0 like 1 0 dot length, assign the number of column to the variable columns, right? This line calculate and store the number of rows and the column in the matrix 1. The information is crucial for iterating through the matrix element. In subsequent, see ensuring that the dimensions are correctly handled during addition. Okay, come to the step 3, array initialization, right? What happened? Const result matrix. Declare a constant variable name result matrix is equal to initialize result matrix as an empty array. Okay. Purpose of this step 3. This line create an empty array result matrix that will use to store the result of adding to matrix. The result matrix will be populated during the matrix addition process, right? Let's come to the fourth step, like outer loop. For let I is equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus. Initialize a loop that iterates over the rows of the matrices. Constant row, declare a constant variable named row and initialize it as an empty array for each row. Inner loop, it is okay. So it is inner loop. For let j is equal to 0, so j less than column and j plus plus. Initialize a nested loop that iterates over the column of the matrices, right? So I'm going to explain how it's working, right? Matrix addition is there, right? So row dot push matrix on ij plus matrix 2 ij, this one, right? Add the corresponding element from matrix 1 and matrix 2 for the current row and column, and push the result to the row array. Purpose of this code. The nested loop iterates over each element of the matrix, adding corresponding element and building a new row for the result matrix. This process is essential for adding two matrices element wise. Right. Come to the step 6 part, return result matrix. Return the matrix obtained after additions. Okay. So I'm going to explain you about the constant matrix 1 example, like which is there. So constant matrix, declare a constant variable named matrix 1 and initialize it with an array of array. Explain. Each inner array represents a row in the matrix and the value inside are the element of that row. Matrix 2 Matrix 2 constant. Matrix 2 declare a constant variable named matrix 2 and initialize it with another array of arrays. Similar to the matrix 1, each inner array represents a row in the matrix and the value are the element of that row. Come to the step 8. This matrices actually, the upper part I am explaining, this matrices serve as an input for the matrix addition function or any other matrix related operation. The value inside the matrix can be modified as needed for the different calculation. Right? So I will explain you about the parts constant result and matrix 1 and matrix 2. Add matrix 1, matrix 2. Call the add matrix function and passes two matrices, matrix 1 and matrix 2 as an argument. Result consignment. Right? Const result. Declare a constant variable named result and assign the return value from the add matrix function. The add matrix function is expected to perform matrix addition on the provided matrices. The overall effect is that result now holds the result of adding matrix 1 and matrix 2. The result matrix can be used as displayed as needed in the subsequent code. Right. So printing matrix 1, console.log matrix 1. Output the text matrix 1 to the console. Matrix 1 for each row, console.log row. Uses for each to iterate over each row of matrix 1 and the print each row to the console. Matrix 2, console.log matrix 2 output a new line and the text matrix 2 to the console. Matrix 2 dot for each row, console.log row. Uses for each to iterate over each row of matrix 2 and print each row to the console. Print sum of the matrices. Printing. Console.log sum of the matrices. Output the new line and the text sum of the matrices to the console. And the second, the result for each, it is like uses for each to iterate over each row of the result matrix result 1 and print each row to the console. The code segment helps to visualize the program original matrices and the sum of matrices in the console output. The slash n is used for a new line to improve readability. Let's meet, guys. I explained you about question number 40. Let's meet in the question number 41.